Yeah, you are all welcome. So we are starting a new plan so we can be able to teach you how to get your other curtain, uh, kitchen cabinets, and other cabinets to the main interior design, teach you and also how to get this other light without importing any lights. So let's get started. We just go to our wall. This case we don't want to use any side, we just draw our square. I've gotten one square. Or just let's see how we make it bigger. You can select this and increase it. You can increase it by moving. Go back to select this. So we have gotten this. What we do is let's push and bring it up a little. So we get our floor. Then we just go to our offset this and get your external wall. When we get our external wall, we just push it. Get your external wall. We have gotten our external wall. We don't want to use any measurement in this case. Then when you want to get your slab, what you do is to let's highlight all this and make it a group. Highlight all this, make it a group. Now select your square again. Get it exactly from here and you continue. If you don't do this, you may not get your group. So let's use our plane, our section plane to make sure we are working on it. Then we select the section plane and move it inside. Okay, we have gotten what we want. Okay, remove this. Remove the section. Let's say we want to push this up a little so we will get our the slab will be defined. Edit group. And you click on it and you go to push and push it a while, push it a little. You have gotten it, then you just go here. this. So you have gotten your slab. You can see the difference. So now we use our section. We use our section and get it. Yeah, move. So this is it. So we go here. So this is what we get inside. So we start our. So this is it. So let's say we want to open here to have a sliding door. We just go to the square tool. As I earlier told you, we are not using any measurement here. So we go to push. Yeah, we have opened it. So we are going to use this as a sliding door. You can see it. So as we have gotten this, so we just have to get our sliding door here. So what we do is we go to this triangle, get this way again. Okay, let's go in and see how it looks like. Okay, is it? So check our line. Go to this line. Select this line. Right click and divide it. Let's say we want to divide it to 3 places. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Then we use our line again. Get this line. Get this line. Get this line. Then we use our offsets. We use your offsets. We are not using measurement, but you can use measurement to do all this. But because we are using this, I've taught you how to get all these things on measurement, but your offset. So in this case, we are not using measurement, we are just doing it. we delete some line, we delete the center line. All the center line, you delete it. I know it's not equal, but so what we do now is we go here, we try and select our glass and mirror. This transparent glass. This is glass to gray. So this is mirror. This is also mirror. This is also glass. So these are different colors of glass. This is tinted. So let's just use this. Use this. We have changed this to glass. So we have gotten our glass. So the next thing is we select this and you can see a union here, window cover. What does window cover mean? No. Letter aluminium. So we just use this aluminium. Get this. So you have gotten this. So let's go. So this is what we have here. We have gotten our glass, our sliced door, let's say we have 2 doors here. So depending on the design you want, you can do that. So if your aluminium, if you don't like the color, you can also update it. Click on it, and you go to edit. You can now increase it to be more black, or so it will be well noticed that it's aluminium. You can see it. If you love the color this way, you also leave it. It all depends. So you can see it. So that of the ceiling, you go up, you can click on it, you double click on it, and you go this edit group, you click on it. The ceiling, you can click on it. You go to offset. You try to offset it. So it just depends. You have gotten the offset. So it's either you push inward or you push, but I want to push downward. So let me push downward. Get a little. Okay. I've gotten this. So let's see if we can. Let's push it a while again. A little. Okay. So let's see if we can push. So we use our line again. Draw another line here. I've taught you this before, So I use push again. Push this inwards. I hope you understood what we are doing here. Okay. You use your line again. Exactly how you got it. Use your push and push this to take it inwards. Use your line again. Draw this. Make sure you get it. Use your push again. You can push it more, if you want to. I think we have to also do the other side. Same thing we did here. Because you can't get it except you use your plane. So we go back to our tool and get your section plane again. Put your section plane on this. Okay. Then move it. I've opened this too. So you use your line to use your push. Push. Okay. Edit. Use your line to again. So you mark the line again. And you go to push. Go to select. Select this. So edit group. You mark it. So make sure you get it. Mark it. You go to push. Push this again. think this is too much. Leave it this way. So we have gotten this. We have gotten this roof. So we have to see how we can do our interior design. We have done the roof. So you make this cut active and come back to where you started. So we have gotten our ceiling. Let's now get our telly stand. So you use your line. Depends on your design anyway. Whatever design you want to, you get this and you get this. Then I won't divide now. I won't divide now. Let me ignore the divider. Use my measuring tool. Create linear measurements. Tape measurement. Then you just get the tape from here to here. Let's say, for I don't want to use any tape for now, so let me don't use any measurement. Let's cut this off. Cut here off. Clean it up. Clean it up. Now use your line to get this to this place. Get it to this place. And get down to this place. Then come here, get this push. Push this out. Push it out to get my okay. And also push this a little bit out. Okay. So as you push it out, we just rotate it to make sure it's not affecting the back. Okay. Everything is intact. You can push it back a little too. As you can see that they are too big. So what we do is push them back a little. Push them back a little. Push this back a little. Okay. So I'm seeing this. So what we do is go back to solids. Okay, let's move. Let's get the line here. we just select this. Then say move plus remove it. 0.5. Okay. We select this again. Select this. So more. So more. Move plus control. You tap control and you move this line because it's the line you want to move. Okay, let's allow it to be this. Okay, let's make it 500. It's okay. So this line has been established. So what we do is we want to get this line like this, 500. Okay. Okay. So what we do is we go to move again. Move, you type control. Move this. It's 500. So what I wanted to get, I've gotten it. I just have to. This sometimes this thing is too tricky. So what I just did was just that. Was very easy. As I already know, this is 500. So you just go to your move. You click on it. So what we just did to get this was just when you go to your move and you go to your control, you move this to 500 and you get it. When you move it to 500 and you say okay, then what you just do is just to type maybe say 20 S and you move and you just get it. So that 20 is too much. You can see that 20 is too much. So what we do is to delete others. So we go to this and delete this. We delete this and we leave the rest. So the next thing we are going to do is we use our paints to paint this. But I think the line is too small. But let's make use of our paint and see what it will give us. You go to paint, you go to color. You go to color. You get that color. So let's use wood or so. Okay, let's go to color again. Let's go to wood, not color. Wood. We go to wood. So we select the kind of food we want. So I think let's get this. So this is how you continue. So you do yours. After I've done this to the end using this color, I will also go back, maybe use another color like black. I'll just go to color, use black. I will now use black. I'll use this black to paint here. So this is how I will do all. So you do yours while I do mine. I just want to do this. It will take a little time for us to finish it. So you see how it looks like. So this is what we will get after doing it. So we do all like this to get exactly this. So you do yours while I will do mine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood this. So we will still continue, you know.